Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Siri Not Available Connect to Internet error on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe. We start from basic. The first and basic method is go to settings and enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Solution number 2. Turn off and turn on listen for Hey Siri. First go to settings, then tap Siri and search and turn off listen for Hey Siri. After that, go to iPhone home screen and launch settings. Then tap general, tap reset and tap reset all settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. After resetting the all settings, same go to settings, then tap Siri and search and enable listen for Hey Siri. Solution number 3. Force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Solution number 4. Reset network settings. For that, first launch settings and tap general. Now tap reset and tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 5. Update your iPhone to latest version of iOS. For that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.